Look, it's a complicated kind of story, but it's simple in another way. I suppose
We're unmasking you as the tenant.
as the tenant, I
Yeah.
suppose we've unmasked people as
I'm going to have to get you a T-shirt with the tenant written on it, because that just sort of came. It sort of became something, didn't it? As this story unfolded.
It did. Yes, that's what I am. I am.
So yeah. So basically, the story, if anybody out there has been living under a rock and doesn't know about it, Jim Gavin has stepped down from the race for the Oris because of a €3,300 unpaid euro or pounds euro unpaid debt for rent from 2009, and that debt was to you.
It
Now,
was to me.
most people in around our circles know this story from old, because this has been one of your party pieces almost, this story, and your kind of run in with Jim Gavin.
Everybody who worked with me probably knew my history with Jim Gavin, in that every time Dublin won an All-Ireland or whatever, people would say, oh, there's your mate Jim Gavin.
Yeah.
And,
Who was far from your mate,
well,
with the story we're going to hear.
no, he wasn't so I had that history, and I would have been speaking about it over the years, and of course everybody who knew me outside of journalism would have known it as well. Look, I suppose
This story has just, snowballed over the past few days, really. And you are now kind of in the centre of it, which is why we decided we'd chat about it here and get it out there. There is, and you can feel stories moving and changing, especially when you're in the media, you can see what's happening. And there is this focus at the moment about who is the tenant, and there's been some social media up about that the tenant was you, etc.
I said, you're not answering, you're not dealing with this. It's my money, in fairness.
Yeah.
And eventually he sort of calmed down and said, yeah, he accepted he owed me the money. And he said, I'm transferring it now.
Right.
On the phone now, I'm transferring it. It'll be in your account in 5 working days or whatever.
So you said puppy days, at long last.
Yeah, that's the end of that.
Yeah.
And the money just never arrived.